Hello everyone. An interesting video has been floating around the internet for a few months now, and quite a few people have forwarded it to me, asking if it's real or not. So let's take a look at the viral video, and I'll explain it for you. Looking at the video, we see a blue bar-coloured pigeon being handled, and as her wings are spread, a UV light is shined onto the flight feathers. The ultraviolet uncovers some previously hidden neon-coloured markings. So is this video real? Surprisingly, yes. Let me explain. A lot of different animals, from scorpions to squirrels, and even some birds, will naturally fluoresce under a UV light. But that actually isn't what is happening here, though it does seem to have fooled some. If you have a keen eye, you might have noticed that the markings uncovered by the UV light are not natural. They're actually Chinese characters. The reason for that is that this is a racing pigeon. Pigeon racing is a sport where homing pigeons are taken some distance from their homes and released, with the fastest pigeon home being declared the winner. The sport began in Europe in the 1800s, but it is becoming increasingly popular in Asia. As with any sport, when there is competition, there can be betting, and when there is money involved, there will often be cheats. Some races carry prizes of over $1 million, and champion birds can sell for even more. So to help prevent a common con, where a pigeon who never actually competed in the race is substituted for one who did, and then fraudulently declared the winner, many clubs will stamp the wings of the competing birds. Usually this is done simply with a standard ink stamp, but given the money involved, some clubs have moved to more high-tech solutions, including the UV fluorescent stamp you saw in the viral video. So yes, the video is absolutely real, but unfortunately it is not natural. The pigeons in your local park do not have fluorescent wings. If this is your first time on the channel, you might enjoy another video of mine where I show just how fast baby pigeons grow, which might help explain why you never seem to see baby pigeons in the wild. If you've enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you could subscribe, and I'll see you next time.